It's hard to predict the best time to sell your crypto. This article will help you apply some basic strategies to avoid potential mistakes and make some gains. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when to sell your crypto. Despite many analysts believing that Bitcoin's having related 4-year cycle, the trend is never only upward or downward. Therefore, knowing when to buy can help plan when to sell. The whole cryptocurrency market is always very dependent on Bitcoin's movements. Bitcoin dominance is still over 40%, considering the remaining 60% is formed of 20% in ETH, with the rest represented by a myriad of cryptocurrencies that might disappear over the next few months or years. Having a clear objective is probably the first step, and that little strategy that will help you work towards something. Whether it's to pay off debts, save for a big purchase like a house, or your kids' education, having a specific purpose of getting your investment to work for you is always a good idea and will give you the right motivation to pursue your plan. You may consider selling your asset or a portion of it if its value has climbed up 2 or 3 times the purchase price, even if you aren't in for the long haul with your crypto. In that case, you may sell the equivalent of the original investment or 5–10% of the overall stack you own. Another instance in which you should consider selling your asset is when its fundamentals are no longer valid, there's little or no development occurring at all, or you have lost confidence in the project. In that case, cutting your losses should be your primary concern by trying to sell it at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.